The Pokémon TCG Chilling Reign box, a part of the Sword and Shield expansion, offers an exciting boost to your Pokémon card collection with 36 Chilling Reign booster packs, each housing 10 unique cards. This factory-sealed booster box ensures the integrity of the packs, eliminating the possibility of valuable cards being removed or packs being weighed or mapped. With the Chilling Reign expansion, you have the chance to find rare and powerful cards such as Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX, Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX, or Galarian Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. The Pokémon TCG Chilling Reign box introduces over 190 brand new cards for you to collect and integrate into your gameplay. Every box is sealed by Pokémon International, providing an assurance of authenticity and quality. The product has received an impressive review score of 4.4 out of 5 from over 8,487 reviewers, affirming its popularity among the Pokémon TCG community.